In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the too many attempts, please try again later issue on Telegram, also known as the Telegram login error. This error usually appears when Telegram detects multiple login attempts from your account or your device within a short period of time. It's a security measure designed to protect you from suspicious activity, but it can definitely be annoying when you're just trying to log in. In this walkthrough, I'll explain what you can realistically do, what you should avoid, and how to prevent this from happening again in the future. First, let's talk about why this happens. Telegram has an automated system that temporarily blocks further attempts if it thinks there are too many verification code requests, incorrect codes entered, or frequent logins and logouts. This can happen if you repeatedly tap the send code button, if you enter the wrong code several times, or if multiple people are trying to access the same account from different locations. The most important thing you can do when you see this message is to stop trying to log in repeatedly. Continuing to request new codes or attempting to sign in again and again will only extend the temporary lock. Instead, close the Telegram app completely. On mobile, swipe it away from the recent apps list. On desktop, fully quit the application, not just minimize it. Next, be patient and wait out the cooldown period. This lock is temporary, but the exact duration can vary. It might be as short as a few minutes, or it could extend to several hours if there were many attempts. During this time, do not request more codes and don't try to log in from different devices or through third-party clients. While you're waiting, double-check that you still have access to the phone number linked to your Telegram account, and make sure you have a stable internet connection ready for when you try again. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, consider turning it off, because unusual IP addresses can sometimes contribute to Telegram's security triggers. After you've given it enough time, reopen the official Telegram app, enter your phone number once, and wait for the verification code. When the code arrives, type it carefully. Avoid hitting resend unless you're absolutely sure the code has expired and didn't come through. Going forward, try not to request the code multiple times in quick succession, and avoid logging in and out repeatedly from many devices. By keeping your login attempts controlled and intentional, you'll significantly reduce the chances of seeing the too many attempts, please try again later error again.